Connecting HoneyBook to your Wix website enhances your client management by integrating booking and payment features seamlessly. Here's how to do it. Log into HoneyBook. Start by logging into your HoneyBook account. If you don't have one, sign up for an account. Create a HoneyBook button. In your HoneyBook dashboard, navigate to the Tools section, then select Website. Here, you can create a button that links to your HoneyBook scheduler or proposal. Customize the button's appearance and settings according to your preferences. Copy the button code. Once you finish customizing, copy the provided embed code. This code allows your button to connect to HoneyBook. Log into Wix. Open a new tab and log into your Wix account, accessing the website you want to edit. Add HTML element. In the Wix editor, click on the plus add button on the left sidebar. Choose Embed, then select Custom Embeds and click on Embed a widget. Paste the code. Paste the HoneyBook button code into the widget's code area and adjust its size and position on your page. Publish your site. After placing the button, click Publish to save changes. Your HoneyBook integration is now live on your Wix site, allowing clients to book services directly.